Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing another cash envelope stuffing, and this is the last paycheck of April, so let's get right into this video. Alright guys, so starting off with my bills, as you guys can see, I have my cash tray. You guys, do y'all remember this? This is the very first cash tray I ever had on my channel, which I introduced you guys, and I spray painted it pink and add some princess cut stickers on there. So yeah, I just wanted to put this cash tray out for this video. Let me know if you guys like it or not. I do still love my other two, but I just wanted to bring her back out. Okay, so starting off with electricity. Electricity is getting $50. Okay, onto my car insurance, and car insurance is getting $45. Okay guys, on to my cash envelopes. Alright, so all my envelopes in here is empty, and you guys, I finally have an update on my Lux wallet. So I want to tell you guys the colors I'll be launching. It's going to be black, white, croc, and purple. It's like a really light purple. It's so cute. Okay, so the black, guys, like, you know, a lot of people have black out there, but you know, I like to customize everything I do. I like to put my style into everything, my little touch. Okay, so the black, guys, the layout is going to be different than this. So I switched up the layout and everything. The zipper pull and stuff will be on this side, but the ID slot will be horizontal this time, and we will have an extra ID slot on here too, but it'll be vertical, and it'll be less card slots, but it'll be more pockets, like to put stuff everywhere, anywhere. So I'm super excited about that. So the black, you guys, are y'all ready for it? The black is going to have red interior, so it's going to be like red bottoms, you guys. Like, you know how you have like the black shoes with the red bottoms? So this is going to be a black croc with red interior, which is so cute. I've seen the pictures and I'm obsessed. It's so pretty. And then I also have a purple one, and that purple one is going to have purple interior too. It looks so cute. And then the white is going to have pink interior. So white and pink, black and red, and purple. Super cute. So yeah, I'm excited. I wanted to let you guys know for the longest, but I wanted to wait until production was completed to announce the colors that I'll be launching. So stay tuned for that. I'll update you guys always on YouTube. Alright, so groceries, we are stuffing $120. So 120. Alright, next is gas, and gas is getting $20. Spending is getting 20 as well. And also guys, you know how I have my brand right here? I won't have this little tab anymore. It's actually gonna be embossed in the croc. So that's gonna be super cute. Next is beauty, and beauty is getting $20. Alright guys, that's it of my cash envelope. So on to my sinking funds. Alright, so on to Lanesia. Lanesia is getting her usual $25. Okay, so Lanesia has 5,000, 6,000, 500, 7,000, 50, 70, 90, 110, 30, 55, 65, 70. Okay, so Lanesia has $7,170. Alright, next is my son Jaden, and Jaden is also getting his usual 25. Okay, so Jaden has 5,000, 6,000, 500, 6, 7, 800, 50, 70, 90, 910, 30, 55, 65, 75. Okay, so Jaden has $6,975. So his next stuffing, he's gonna get 25 and he'll be at 7,000. Okay, and next is Family Time, and Family Time is getting $20. 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 50. So we have a 150 in Family Time. Let me zoom you guys in so like you guys could see the amounts better. Okay, and next is Drip, and Drip is getting a $30. Okay, so we have 50, 70, 90, 110, 25. So we have 125 in Drip. Alright guys, on to my emergency fund binder. Okay, on to my emergency fund binder. So my cash emergency fund, we have $2,000 in there. Okay, so home emergency fund is getting $165. So let's have 100, a 50, a 10, and a 5, and that is 165. Alright, so we have 5, 6, 7, 8,000, 500, 9,000, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 50, 10,000, 50, 100, 50, 70, 80, 95, 200. So we have 10,200 in our home emergency fund. So my next video is going to be the sinking funds update, and I will be adding a 10K slip in my home emergency fund. Also guys, I got a lot of inquiries about when I'm gonna release some more rings. So I have a custom ring in the making right now. The material is gonna be 925 sterling silver, and it's gonna be real gold plated. So we finished up the design already, and now they're just doing the electroplating. Also, I try to get something, a word in there. in the inside, in the inner part of the ring. I tried to get it lasered on there, but it wouldn't fit. It's from Japanese origins. It's called wabi sabi. So this is the meaning of wabi sabi. I believe that's how you say it. I'm not sure, but this is how you pronounce it right there. So it's Japanese, and it says a way of living that focuses on finding beauty in imperfection and accepting the natural cycle of growth and decay. Nothing lasts and nothing is perfect. That's the reason why I really love the meaning of it. I wanted this lasered in the inner part of the ring, but we couldn't do that, so now it's just my design, and it's in the making, and I'm super excited about that. So yeah. Okay, next is my car emergency fund, and that is getting $10. Okay, so we have 1,500, 6, 700, 20, 40, 50. So we have 1,750 in car emergency fund. Alright, next is my health emergency fund, and that is getting $10. I meant $5. Alright, so we have 500, 6, 7, 800, 20, 40, 5, 50, 5, 60. So we have 860 in health. Alright, on to my scratch off challenge. Alright, so starting off with the gold, I'm gonna actually scratch off the last gem on here, which is $30. And then for the diamond challenge, I'm gonna scratch off this one. So 30 plus 160 is $190. So 160 from diamond and 30 from gold. Alright guys, onto my pink binder. Alright, so onto Christmas. Christmas is getting $10. Oops. Alright, so we have 1, 250, 70, 85. So 285 in Christmas. Alright, and next is back to school, and back to school is getting $5. Alright, so we have $5, $10, $15, $20 in back to school. Invest isn't getting stuff, but we do have $20 in there. Next is gifts, and gifts is getting the last $40. So 20, 40. We have 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200, 20, 30. So 230 in gifts, 20 in invest. Alright guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.